yet another power-packed issue of your favorite national lifestyle magazine, Urban Vastu. I am Tilana, and in the next 2 minutes, allow me to take you through the magazine. This month's cover story talks about alternative therapies in medicine. We've talked about all you want to know, from homeopathy, naturopathy, aromatherapy, stone therapy, acupuncture, and of course, Ayurveda and yoga. Do you remember about the surprise I told you about last month? Well, now's a good time to unveil it. Parampara, Pranayam, Pragati, Prakriti, and of course Patanjali. One man who has redefined the term yoga. Yes, we are proud to share an exclusive rendezvous that we had with Baba Ramdev ji. To quote Winston Churchill, Russia is a riddle wrapped in mystery inside an enigma. Our Ancient World section, penned by Priya Narayan, talks about ancient Russia, its riddles and its mysteries. A little away from our home planet, we have a special feature on futuristic architecture on Mars. What would it be like to live on that planet? See what Revati Rajwade has to say in a special feature in the magazine. Another key feature of the magazine is our Expert Views section, where Mr. Naman Pipara has shared his views on key takeaways from model GST laws. This month's Focus section talks about the Sai Youth Festival held at Puttaparthi, Prashanthi Nilayam, Andhra Pradesh. His message was very clear: help ever, hurt never, love all, serve all. We have another very special interview in this issue. The editorial team of Urban Vastu interviewed the Deputy Prime Minister of Georgia earlier this month. Ganga is said to be the only river that flows through the three worlds: heaven, earth, and the netherworld. We have carried a special feature on our rivers in which you can read all about the Holy Ganga in this issue. The Urban Lifestyle section has 3 fantastic articles on furniture, health and fitness. Mr. Pankaj Sabrawal talks all about what kind of home libraries you can have in the Urban Furniture section. Ashish and Vidya from Love for Salad, an online salad bar, have given a fantastic mouth-watering recipe of a 7-layer salad. Our fitness expert, Mr. Swapnil Mishra, has talked about accidents and injuries that you can avoid while in the gym. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These were the words of Sri Jawaharlal Nehru on 15th August 1947, India's Independence Day. A quick walk through our regular features. Read all about hassle-free handovers in our advisory section. This month's MySpace and Vastu Tips section talks about libraries at home. We have featured the Nariyali Purnima in the festival section, and we have talked about Upanishads in the spiritual learning section. And we have also not forgotten your all-time favorites, the Zodiac, Numerology and the Good Times section. On the 70th anniversary of India's Independence Day, we have a special feature on a few unusual facts that you wouldn't know about 15th August. So this was it with this month's issue of Urban Vastu. As we steadily near our 2-year anniversary in October, we are going to come with a lot of surprises and goodies specially for you. But before that, we'd like to share some good news for you. We are coming soon with a national level debate platform for school children. So if you think your ward is articulate, confident and updated with the happenings of today, keep an eye out. We are looking for the next big public speaking star. See you again next month with another issue. Till then, this is Tilana signing off. Wish you a very happy Independence Day from the entire team of Urban Vastu. Stay safe and happy reading.